quickly versus perfection, I'm in the camp very much of developing it in an agile fashion, taking an approach where iterations are done more often than not. In our experience, that's always been the best way to deploy, where you've got a minimum viable product that's going out there with this particular set of functionality, or specific set of functionality rather.
Yeah, I mean, I think the key here is, really comes to the forefront in mobile, is that mobile technology is just moving so quickly that if you're looking to develop a Facebook, an Instagram, a Snapchat, one of these big successful applications, you can't start, well, you can start with the end in mind, but you can't look to build the entire thing and then launch, because it just takes too long. By the time you finish the project, technology's moved on and it's already archaic. It's much better to get to market quickly with an MVP.
And then iterate.
Iterate. I mean, the phrase build quickly, fail fast and fix, or I suppose similar phrases, is banding around quite a lot. And that's very much where I sit at the moment. No doubt that will change as technology changes, as this all does.
And I think that's echoed whether it's an enterprise deployment or whether it's perhaps maybe a more retail or consumer-based application for the domestic market. I think it's best to always go with an agile approach which allows you to create iterations, get an MVP out there, and just, get to market. The quicker you can get, I mean, you can't put out rubbish into the market because users are fickle, they're just not going to like the solution. You've got to have something that works.
Yeah, definitely.
And you've got to have been through a proper process to establish, well, what features and functionality need to be in that first iteration. Make sure you hit the market with that iteration, but get it back in and get the new iteration out quickly and have a proper roadmap. It's all about the planning and the strategy as well. I think that's where I'm with it. Yeah,
definitely. I think the key is actually sometimes in the user experience. There's a lot of tools out there now which allows designers and UX designers especially to test and to throw designs together almost in mock-ups, whether that be using tools like UXPin, etc., to test designs.
So effectively almost a prototype is being produced without actually having to write a load of code. And a prototype is there, and almost that becomes an iteration. You can see it working in the test environment to a point. You get the user experience, then you get layer the code in, and away you go.
I agree.